In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable spell check on Notion. If you're seeing red wavy lines under names, technical terms, or custom words while you type, that's Notion's spell check feature trying to help. For many people, it's useful. But if those underlines are distracting or you work with a lot of specialized language, turning it off can make your writing flow much smoother. I'll walk you through two simple ways to disable it, starting with the quickest method. First, let's use the language settings menu. On any Notion page, right-click anywhere in the main page area. You should see a menu appear. Look for language settings, or on some systems, it may appear as spell check language settings. Go ahead and click that. In the panel that opens, find the option labeled spell check. Simply toggle spell check off. The change is immediate. As soon as it's disabled, Notion will stop flagging unfamiliar or misspelled words, and those red wavy lines will disappear. If you don't see the menu at first, make sure you're right-clicking inside the page content rather than the sidebar. Also, the exact wording of the menu can vary slightly depending on your operating system, but the option you need will be clearly labeled around language or spell check. If you prefer to manage this from Notion's main settings, there's another reliable path. In the left sidebar, click Settings and Members to open Notion's Settings panel. Once you're there, navigate to Language and Region. This section centralizes language preferences and related tools. Look for the spell check option and toggle it off. This disables spell checking across Notion for your current setup, giving you a clean, distraction-free editing experience. It's a great option if you're already adjusting other settings or want to keep everything in one place. After turning off spell check using either method, you can type any unfamiliar names, acronyms, or domain-specific terms without seeing red underlines. Your content will stay exactly as you enter it, and you can always turn spell check back on later by revisiting the same toggle if your needs change. That's all you need to do to disable spell check in Notion. If this tutorial helped you streamline your writing or make your workspace a little calmer, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials.